Hello guys, welcome back to this fala session lo JavaScript programming with me Cainton Milroy. Um, lo this fala session I just one continuation of lo series lo JavaScript closures. Lo previous video I think we no make me clear too much, but me want to make me clear this time lo closures inside lo JavaScript. So me prepare one short and sweet PowerPoint lo please lo you me look. I mean, no too much, but this is how me prepare them. Closures are lovely and reliably serviceable. They allow programmers to program creatively, expressively, and concisely. Okay. Suppose you want them program play you me clear, concise, more as much as possible, readable or express. You express them one way, one them you try to achieve him. Closures me one very good structure blow you use them inside the coding blue inside the program inside the JavaScript. Um, Brief definition blow closures. A closure is an inner function that has access to outer and closing functions variables scope chain. The closure has three scope chains. It has access to its own scope, variables defined between its curly braces. Okay, on scope, variables defined between its curly braces. It has access to outer functions variables and it has access to global variables. So, wow, what a beauty we make got closer inside low JavaScript. The thing here is you got one parent function. Now that parent function we got argument. Now inside that parent function and we also return one function we got one argument. Now it can be that inner function and we return one expression, example a plus b. Therefore, then when you call a main function we scan throughout lo one way declared inside lo scope lehem. After and we pick him out one way me being used, one way me being written, after and we execute them. Lo emblem. Whether you have a that function, full function with a more nested function inside them, where only been written finish, or only been written them some kind of expression, then you set a multi-concept of variable. So time you call them variable, you give him one new argument, and we run him full function after you make him and we create him all objects lehem. Therefore you mean him say out of just a single function, outlaw one single function, you should create them as many functions or many objects as much as possible, just by using a particular function where you write them inside the closure blue. Okay. Inner function. From say inside the closure, you got all inner functions inside. It can be one or it can be many. The inner function has access not only to outer functions variable, but also to the outer functions parameters. Note that the inner function cannot call the outer functions argument objects. However, even though it can call the outer functions parameter directly. Maybe one example problem. So you make at one function make other, where you make at one single argument x, and we return them make other where we contain them one single argument x, and we also return them one function inside them. Return function you got one single argument where y, more and we return them one expression x plus y. Therefore, you make them make other. You may create a manipulator variable and you may assign them you go add 5. Now yeah, me hold them full environment plus function make other. So you may make them, you may add them 5 equal him. You may reuse them make other 2 times. One low first variable blame, second one low second variable blame. First function blame me declaration. second function blimi will line 7 var add 5 equals make other 5 me1 expression function, as well as var add 10 and equals make other 10 me1 expression function. Function make other where me also contain in a function me1 declarative function. So me some more clear explanation lem. Make other x which takes a single argument x and returns a new function. The function it returns takes a single argument y and returns the sum of x and y. Therefore, time where you call them add 5 and we got access to environment function here, make other. So now small PowerPoint where me want them carry me throughout the hem and one way me pin look blessya and me same something no more, but me try and blow make them more clearer. So function here, name blue function here with one single argument. That for the function me contain one single argument, and me also return one function. That for the return function me contain one single argument, and me return one expression. Where me one math a plus b. So you got a full function here. You may assign them me call 10. After you may also give me one argument argument value. So time where you may call console.log. We need to bring him browser me gam yeah. So time where you may call console.log. Console.log at 10 2 meaning say 20 plus 2 12. Console.log at 20 10 meaning say 20 plus 10 30. And now one way happen yeah. So in other words, you got two argument written them a plus b. You know have written them at 10 number with them one value. From antap you got two arguments stuff. We contain them we tell them we we minim say you must got two values. Okay? So M&M is small introduction to JavaScript closures where me want to give him lo Yumi. Me got some additional information to tell him out Yumi no more say. Suppose you don't understand him, please make sure you visit him all online resources. Plus you learn more you practice more. I mean out the only way where you should get out to understand them that fella closer inside the JavaScript from closures and very useful for programmers, but quite confusing and overwhelming time we start learning the start then we want them turning into programming. Thank you for watching.